Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. In today's video, I'm going to give you a complete review about Biotic's targeted skin clearing gel. So this is Biotic's Advanced Organics Tea Tree Targeted Skin Clearing Gel. This is 15 grams package, which costs around rupees 375. The product is the main purpose of the product is to clear your skin, that is to clear any blemishes and acne marks. I have also did a review about PhytoRx, Lotus Professional's PhytoRx. I will give the card above so that you can also go check the review of that product, which is equivalent. The purpose of both the creams or both the gel is the same, but irrespective of the brand and price and some other things. So you can go check that video also if you want to. So coming back to the video, this is Biotic Advanced Organics Tea Tree Targeted Skin Clearing Gel. This product, the Biotic has mentioned that the product suits for normal to oily skin, but after using this product, I would say that all skin types can actually use it, because I have extremely dry skin. So just in order to want to give a try to this product, I just purchased it, and I found that I have, whenever I sweat a lot, I do get acne, and nowadays we are wearing mask, so I suffer from maskne a lot. So I purchased this product and tried, and it gave me amazing results, so that I wanted to share the product with you so that you can also try and get benefited out of this. So the product states that it clears up blemishes on the spot. This refreshing gel, it reduces the appearance and prevents new one from forming, that is the blemishes. Okay, they have given the directions to use, and we all know that all Biotic products are 100% vegan, and they are skin friendly products. It has therapeutic properties which which clears any ailments irrespective of your skin or hair. So this targeted skin clear gel, the main ingredient here is tea tree. We all know that tea tree is a great ingredient for acne and blemishes. So adding tea tree into this product gives amazing results for your expectations. So let's get inside the product. So this is outer carton. Okay, the product costs, I forgot to mention, the product costs around 375 rupees. Did I mention it? Anyways, leave it. Okay, it is 375 rupees for 15 grams. I used to save the carton only for making the video, so don't think that how new the carton is. Some cartons will be very much damaged, so just let's ignore it. We are going off the topic. So this is a 15 gram cute tub packaging of Biotic Tea Tree Targeted Skin Clearing Gel. So I'm attracted to this package because it is so cute and small. It has a screw lid open type. Usually all tubs have that. And it has a lid separator so that it prevents product leakage. And getting inside, so this is the product. I've almost used it. So it is a gel. The consistency is of almost a gel type consistency, which is easy to apply. You will have to apply it only on the areas where you have your acne and blemishes. So it is a transparent gel-like consistency. On application, it gives you a mild what do you say, that mild tingling sensation or mild irritation, which means that the product is actually working. Okay, so don't get panic that the product is not working. You just do a patch test before trying it. Of course, it suits all skin types. Anyways, if you're so sensitive, your skin is so sensitive, do a patch test and then try using the product. It even on my dry skin, it creates a mild tingling sensation, so that be careful on application. And one thing is, you will have to apply it only on your blemishes or active acne. You are not supposed to apply it all over your face. Okay, this product has quite strong fragrance, because we all know the tea tree fragrance. The fragrance is the same of the tea tree oil. So the fragrance actually, it does not matter. Only the thing is if your acne is being cleared or not. Of course, I use this immediately when I find the the acne popping out, on that time itself I run, I search for the product and I apply it on my skin, because I hate acne. Not only me, everyone will hate it. It can be used by both men and women. It is it does what it claims. It actually removes any acne or breakouts within an hour. Of course, trust me, I'm not like exaggerating, or I'm not promoting the product. I'm just sharing my personal experience about the product. Whenever I go out and I receive any, due to pollution, or we get acne due to many reasons, right? So if I get acne due to any of the reasons, I just go grab the product and I use it, and within an hour or so I will definitely feel relief about my acne, because it does not leave any acne marks. Also, it clears up anything, and it also prevents from new blemishes or new acne forming out. If you have that age old blemishes, or like more than 6 months or a year, of course you can also try this. It greatly helps in healing your blemishes too. And those who are watching the video, please ignore my scars and my blemishes here. If you have an annoying sibling, this is like don't care thing. Okay, since I'm making the video today, I feel so awkward having my hand scarred, so please forgive me for that. So coming back to the video, I would feel the product a bit pricey, because mostly all biotic products are within the budget, and all biotic products, they have their own standard, and they have their own quality of products. But this is a bit pricey, but trust me that each and every penny you spend on this is actually worth it. If you're investing on some other skincare products, please stop investing and get your hands on this. This is 375 rupees in Indian money. Of course, it is very cheaper than any parlor treatments or doctor consultations. You can even consult the product with your doctor and you can use this. I'm so obsessed, and I'm so mentioning this because I want you all to get benefited out of the product. Seriously, I thought biotic before purchasing this, anyways, it would be like any other cream or gel which helps in clearing the blemishes and leaving any marks, or before purchasing this product I felt that the product will be like any other product. But of course it is not like that. It has its own specific properties, it has its own qualities, and it is worth spending it. So I don't have words to describe it. Okay, so please don't think that I'm exaggerating or making a product promotion. Of course, nothing of that kind, at least not for now and this video. If you have stubborn acne marks or blemishes, please use this twice a day, not for active acne, okay? Only for the blemishes or the scars, I'm saying this. If you have that stubborn thing, you use it along with your skincare routine in the morning as well as in the evening or before going to sleep. Within weeks or within months, you will find very visible results, and you will be loving the product. After using the product, the biotic brand, it actually changed my mind. Okay, hereafter I'm not going to purchase any other skin clearing gel except for this. So I'm so obsessed with the product, and I'm so very much loving the product. I really don't have words to describe it, so you will have to get your hands on this product. I guess I have covered all information whatever I know about the product. If you like the video, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, share it with your friends whoever in need of this product. And if you have any other queries or queries or doubts, okay, both are same, you can for sure comment it below, and I would feel happy to reply you. And yeah, we'll meet you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Bye.